as we see normally people, when the today's generation basically, when they see or we see in the newspaper or something, if someone gets less marks like 80% or 90%, still they get depressed. They are just thinking, यार मेरा तो अभी कुछ नहीं हो सकता, no, that doesn't matter. But now I want to seriously express, or I want to tell something about this education factors. If you look at the current situation in the IT industry, IT market, the company, it's depend on your 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 success or failure. Basically success is not depend on your education, it's depend on your how you can tackle, plan, execute, and work hard for your goals. So education, as you can see the current IT industry, education, as I said, doesn't matter if from any stream or any any graduates, basically BCA, BCS, BBA, BTech, or BSc IT, okay, and any postgraduates, MCA, MSc, or MBIT, okay. It doesn't matter to get the jobs in the IT market. The main is you should have a very good communication skill, and you should have a very technical skills. These are the two main factors to get the jobs in the IT industry, okay. So just I want to again repeat, good communication skill and good technical skills, these are the two main factor to get the jobs in the IT market. Sometimes, as you can see, salary also depends on these two factors. I want to say again, you know, because sometimes the freshers, you can see the placement going on your college. Maybe you are uh, pursuing the last semester of your third year or whatever. Okay, last year basically. So if you in the duration of the 3 years your graduation or post graduation, whatever, 2 years maybe post graduation. So if you just work hard, do study properly with the proper planning, you earn a good communication skill, and technical skills within a college, then obviously as a freshers, someone from the employer definitely hire you just based on your communication skill and the technical skills, because company need a good employee actually, who has a good knowledge on the technical sides and the um, what else, communication sides. Because in the IT market, there is if you speak the local language or a Hindi language, it's okay if the client is client or within your teams. But when you coordinate with your external clients, the foreigner client, you should have a good command over the vocabulary and the communication skills, okay. So just keep this mind, communication skill and technical skills should be sound to get the jobs in the IT industry, okay. So just don't get depressed if you are if you are a student to watching this video. Just don't get depressed, यार मुझे मार्क्स कम आ गए, परसेंटेज कम आएगा तो मेरा मुझे जॉब मिलेगा क्या, ओके. As I said, you should work on the communication skill and your technical commands, okay. So as I said, graduation doesn't matter, or which stream belongs to you, okay. And post graduation, I have some to show. Basically I want to show some proofs, what I want to tell you, through this video. As you can see, the two profiles are there for the DevOps engineer. You can see there are this one, the education, any graduates, you can see PG, postgraduate, any postgraduates. They they specifically not mentioned to they need only MCA candidate or BCA candidate or BSc candidate or BTech B, whatever, okay. They just mention any graduates they need. What the skill expecting, you can see the bottom line, Terraform, CI/CD, DevOps, Kubernetes, AWS DevOps, okay, and the Azure DevOps. Similar way on other profile, you can see they also mentioned this for the Rackspace technology and this one for the Tech Mahindra, okay. So you can see graduation, any graduation, any post graduation doesn't matter for them, okay. They need proper skilling, okay, for the proper skill candidate. You can see the automation, DevOps, cloud. These are the some keywords they use for to get the skilled candidate, okay. Another one I have profile. This one I take from the job portal, actually, naukri.com. You can see senior DevOps engineer profile opening is there for the Flipkart, and another one for the high DevOps engineer for the Tech Mahindra. Okay, you can similar way see here graduate, any graduates, postgraduates. Okay, then they need a proper skill candidate. You can see the skill. Okay, and one more thing I want to cover here: when you apply the any job portal for the your interview, or apply for the any job position, first you should go with the number of profiles, like 10 to 12 profiles. Then just see the similar word, what is the company expecting, what technology skills they are demanding in the market. You can just collect similar word like AWS, Git, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, and you can study accordingly. Then you can just apply for the jobs, and you will get, you will get some more confidence, like market is demanding for these tools, these technologies. So you already aware of that, and you learn that. Okay.